All right, crew, welcome to another Essential. This time I'm making a jalapeno cilantro aioli. Really delicious. It's got a little heat, some herbal notes from the cilantro, of course, lots of garlic. I've got about a bunch of cilantro here. Just gonna blanch it really quickly. About 30 seconds. I'm gonna put it right into our blender. The roast garlic, lemon juice. I'm gonna add a little mayo to this. Spicy cilantro aioli, looks great. This aioli is great with fish, meat, your favorite veggies. Cheers, salud.